Wheelin and Reelin. We're out in the toy hauler, Rocky Mountain Riding Club. We're going up to some fire lookout and then we're gonna go fishing after. Let's see you on the trail. Most of the dirt bikes at this point, but oh, maybe here comes one of our teammates. So we are in Nordegg right now. We're going to be heading up to the fire lookout. Everyone's going to get a little bit of gas and off we go. All right, there's my Wendy bird. Hey, my Wendy baby. Are you having fun, baby?
Yes.
All right. All right, well, here we are on our way back. Dusty trail, following all these guys. No, you were behind us, but guy coming at us. I swerve, move over to miss him. We're airborne by that guy, and we stop dead on that guy. Wendy's a little tender. Oh, leaking a lot of oil. I don't know if that's from the crash, but we'll get her home. Okay, sorry it's so dark. Wendy's okay. She's got a bit of a bruise on her hip from the seatbelt and a little cut on her arm from the gun rack. Yeah, I'm pretty good. I was pretty winded. I really messed up the machine, but the new skid plate held up. So I got like a weird dip in my chest that's not normal. Normally it goes across. I got like a weird dip, so I'm pretty sore. Probably be more sore tomorrow, but tonight we're having some painkiller beverages. There's no reeling either, just to let you guys know. Wheelin and Reelin. Brian, the guy I was supposed to fish with, before my crash, his brakes were toast. He went home. We're staying here and drinking painkillers.